Good day. I'm at the range with my Anschutz Model 1771 22 Hornet. Fine German engineered rifle. Features a 20-inch barrel, a rather fine quality wood stock, 5-round detachable magazine, and it's a 2-stage pull trigger. So what that means, as you know, is you take up the slack and then it breaks quite crisply at about probably 2 pounds pull, maybe a little less. Ammunition, I have factory loads, these PPU 45 grain. Soft point, there's around there, next to my 458 lot. So it's for hand loading, it's quite economic on powder. A pound of powder goes quite a ways when you're only loading at 10 to 12 grains. So I'll take a couple of 3-shot rounds and show you how it groups. Let's put the camera down. Like that. Okay, so the usual at the range, make sure you have your adequate hearing protection and safety eyewear. Safety first. It's a bit breezy today, about just above zero. I think it's 1 degree. So let's see how it shoots. Okay, 3 rounds. All right. So a couple of 3-shot groups. Go on range and have a look, see how it grouped. Got a pretty good dump of snow here past few days. Glad to see the range has been plowed out. And next Friday is the first day of spring. Where did winter go? Slow this ride down. Going too fast. So we're going to be in like high teen temperatures next week. Looking forward to that. Should be motorcycling weather for sure. I own a couple of 22 Hornet rifles. I rather like this one, this Anschutz. Usually group's pretty good. Let's have a look how it did today. Okay, there's my first group. Not bad. There's my second group. It's not bad. I think this rifle needs a few more following shots to it, or the operator isn't up to today. I don't know, but I've seen it grouped harder than that before. But it could be that wind too. It's breezy down this way, but for factory loads, it's not bad. I'm going to get into hand loading it again. I'm sure I can improve accuracy better than that. There you have it, the Anschutz Model 1771 22 Hornet. Thanks for watching.